Hi guys, today I'm at the farm. So hot now, 9:30 a.m. Yeah, and it's quite hot. We are going to carry the job steers. Yeah, I'm at the job steers farm, as you see up here. So we are here to carry the job steers, and please go with us. I'm show you that how we are working after we harvesting the rice and what else do we do. Yeah. So we are doing just your farm. After just your farm, we are going to do cashew farm. Yeah, mostly in our country and for the some family that's still poor, right? So we do mostly doing the farm. So hot now. So hot. Yeah. As you see here, the just here, right? We already cut off. Yeah. Quite nice also. Oh. Like you see here, still some rubber trees here, right? Still very small. Yeah, and one more up there, and there, line by line. So yeah. Lúc nào chắc cú cái này, tôi cây vớt sọt đúng không? Chị tôi thay video mình chỉ đâu phải sai. Cháu bé là một sai bé cây này. Chị bé cây lì cha. Bé ôn năng nhỏ bé sa Lào để chém lo nó sẽ lúc sẽ hỏi tỏ cá bé làm để ta bé qua achi đó achi này. Cháu một cây cũng một cây lì nó. Cháu chỉ một cây chị cũng qua lì già, mà nó đâu già qua già. Tụi nó do tụi nó cắn chùa này. Chỉ bảo nó cắn chùa là giá trị lúc từ chỉ bảo lù mưng chùa đây comment tốt khen này có hay lắm mưng. Yeah, I'm bringing this one. I don't know to call this one in English also. Anyone can teach me the words of these things. Yeah, about these things. Anyone can help me to teach. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, when we arrive, I had to make the place a bit nicer. Yeah, as you see here. Yeah, you have to pull it down like this. Okay. This one is up. I'm fighting the helmet. Yeah, I'm also fighting the helmet that when I'm working and I can put the camera on my head, right? But I couldn't find it. I'm also checking for the shop if I can buy a helmet that I can serve my camera on my head, so it's better. Now I'm working. I use one hand to hold the camera and also one hand is working, so it is a bit hard. So the video is not so nice. Okay. These are the top tiers. Yeah. See here, right? Look. Yeah. Put here until it's a lot, so we can carry it. Sao tí đó, sao áo tí bây giờ, áo tí mông, trên trang kề chế dẫn đầu ơi. Ready now. You tied it up. And we are going. Oh, one hand only. A bit difficult. Naki. Không sao khổ. Sao lại giờ nó cũng đâu bỏ phải ơi liao.
No.